Welcome to my channel. Enjoy watching.
Okay, so for the ingredients of our chocolate pasta, kanina yung dinemonstrate pesto pasta. So ito, pasta pero dessert. Okay, so ang ingredient natin dito, we have cooked tricolor pasta. So this is already a pre-cooked pasta. Okay, so we just have to toss everything in sa ating bowl, like so. And then, nasan yung spoon? Okay, so I have prepared chocolate sauce here, no? So, ayan. We have, ano lang naman ito? What do you call that? Cocoa powder, milk, and then we melted some dark and white chocolate. So this is our chocolate sauce. We will put this in our pasta. Like so. Okay? Parang naging tradition ko na to. Every time I do cooking demos, I always incorporate this one. This is something new for some people, but actually, para lang sa Christmas, not the usual fruit salad that we have. No? So yan. Sabi nga natin, mas marami yung chocolate. Tapos pag napakain natin yung mga guests natin, mga visitors, nagiging hyper sila. Yung pala yung goal ko eh. No? Anyways, so yan. And then, you just have to toss everything in. Naka-pasta, like so. No? So this is your pasta and your chocolate sauce. Yan. Incorporate everything in like so. Kyle, interested ka ba sa ating chocolate pasta? You like the chocolate pasta? Ayan. Pag mga bata talaga, no? So, yan. We have this one. Okay? So, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. So, I have also prepared some gelatin. Two-colored gelatin, ano? So, we can actually add a little. So, color of Christmas. Yan. So, when we prepare food, we really have to consider different texture. May smooth, may creamy, may crunchy, may crispy. All in one, and also, you have to play with colors. The more colorful your dish, the more enticing, di ba? Lalo sa mga bata. Lalo pinakonvince natin yung mga bata. Okay, so yan. Mukha na siyang Christmas, hindi ba? You like that, Kyle? You like it? Ayan. Can you help me out here? Yan. Magluluto si Kyle. So yan. Come here, come here. So you want to put, do you want this one, white chocolate? This one, dark chocolate. Okay, so in white chocolate, sige. I will prepare plating for you. Yan. Para lang kay Kyle ito. O, diba? So, yan. You can actually plate it like this. So, yan. Mukha siyang dinuguan. Pero hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Para hindi mo ang dinuguan yan in a little while. Yan. So, this one. Yan. Excited si Kyle. Okay. Lalagyan natin ng Christmas color. Okay. We have, what color is this? What color is this? Red. And this one? This one? Green. Very good. Ayan. Kyle, you put your chocolate chips on top. Yan. Sige. No bare hand contacts on ready-to-eat food. Ayan. Very good. More. You want more? Yan. Sige. Ubusin mo mamaya. Hindi ka makakatulog. makulit ito. Ayan. You want white chocolate? Ayan. Sige, put more. Ayan. Very good. Okay. Uy, ito. You like this one? Halloween? Medyo, yan. Sige. Nako. Pag hindi ito na, ano, pag ito malikot mamaya, wala akong kasalanan dyan. Wow! Oh, yan. Combination of Halloween and Christmas. You want, cashew nuts? You want this one? What do you want? Ah, this one. O, diba? Makilig sila sa mga kulay. Sige, you put. Okay, there you go. Ayan. Okay. Ito, almonds. Gusto mo almonds? Ayan. Go ahead. Asan yung, spoon ni Kyle? Para matikman natin. Ay, matikman niya. Ayan. Okay, so ayan, Kyle. Go ahead and taste. Ayan, harap ka sa kanila. Sabihin mo kung anong lasa na ginawa ni Chef. Oh, guys, so distribute nyo na. This is our finished product, guys. Ayan. How was it, Kyle? Yummers? Okay, thank you very much. Ayan. So, if you want to taste this one, we will distribute, no? And then, pag distribute mo, lagyan mo ganito, ganito. Okay? So, ayan. Food committee, please help, no? For the distribution of our chocolate pasta. This is also a good idea for Christmas season, no? Ayan. Sige, distribute nyo na. Okay? For the next team to demonstrate, we can actually, okay na to? Okay, so you can actually start your mixing class. Okay, thank you very much. So ayan, pag natikman nyo na, let me know your thoughts. Okay? So si Kai, okay? And approve. Okay, thank you very much, Kai. Magiging pastry chef si Kai in the future. Ha? Sige, sige.
Okay, so for our next cooking demonstrators,
to our Academy or Ambitious Culinary Arts School Hotel and Restaurant Management Inc. Student Council to be presented by Sir Angelix Katuman. I would like to call on the representative and co-representative to receive the certificate of recognition. Ayan, where is our representative
Miss Danny.
and co-representative for Naga branch? So we would like to, sir. Okay, so certificate of recognition. This certificate is awarded to Student Council of Ambitious Naga Campus. Your enthusiasm, teamwork, and dedication have greatly contributed to the success of the event. Through your active involvement, you have showcased the spirit of culinary excellence, creativity, and collaboration. We extend our deepest appreciation for your commitment to making the event a memorable experience for all our participants. Awarded on this 18th day of November 2023, signed by Chef Leia, yours truly, your council advisor, student council coordinator, Fernandine Fernandez, and our campus admin head, Angelix Patungan, and of course, our president and CEO, Lorena Smigelska. Sir? Yan. Congratulations and ayan. So, congratulations to our Academy Student Council. Student Council. Ayan, representative and co-representative. Yan, thank you very much. Huwag muna kayong malis. So, may ganun yan, no? Again.
okay, again, thank you everyone for coming over today's event of Pieces in Again, Apicius Culinary Arts Hotel and Management Inc., where Filipino talent meets culinary excellence, event entitled Mastery Unveiled Culinary Demos and Cooking Battles. And of course, in partnership with Vista Mall Naga, come experience Vista Malls. And we would like to thank Vista Mall, Ms. Joy